Greetings, my friends. We have Cold Steel Voyager Vaqueros coming out to play in the early morning. This is my Voyager Vaquero plain edge, right, with a stone wash. And this is my older one. Notice the handle is different. The handles used to be like this. All right, but this one is also a little bit longer. Those Cold Steel serrations, they do not play. Slashing, close cutting, gutting, slitting. Okay, I'm going to roll in the bottle fun. I hope you enjoy. Under the video, I'll list the whole Voyager series and lots of other goodies from Cold Steel for your convenience. Here we go. Cold Steel Voyager Vaqueros. Serrated plate. Gotta love Cold Steel. Cheers to you. The serrated Vaquero, it's like a chainsaw. Now, I'm left-handed, by the way. I like that. Yeah, you can stab with Vaquero. You did it! Ashtray. Okay. Fast cut. There you go. Alright, another fast cut. There you go. Alright, 3. Can we do 3? Adios to 3. Definitely consider subscribing.